Okay, I'm going to go a little bit quicker this time. Got my templates set up. Again, I would encourage you to do that same sort of work. Identify my x1, y1, my x2, y2. Just plug them in. x2 is 2, x1 is negative 3. Y2 is 2, y1 is 3. Need to fix those signs. Going to be 2 plus 3. That's going to stay 2 minus 3. So we're going to get 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So we are going to get 25 plus 1. So we got 26 square root. Square root of 26 is 5.1. And that's going to be it for that one. Okay, identify x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 minus x1 is 4 minus negative 5. And 0 minus 1. Fix the signs up. Okay, we got 4 plus 5 is going to be 9. That's not what I need there. I need a 2 there. Should I go? The 9 goes in there. Negative 1 to the power of 2. So d squared is equal to 81 plus 1. D squared is equal to 82. I think we had this one on the last worksheet. Okay. It don't matter. Square root of 82. $9.1. I'm going to pause and just double check my work there, make sure I did not make a boo-boo. No boo-boos. Leave that there for a second, and I'm going on to the next page. Pause if you need to. Okay, on the back we have no graphs. We just have ordered pairs, which is actually kind of nice, because I can go through all of this and do my x1, y1, x2, y2. I will do one more, and then I'm going to pause the video. x1, y1, x2, y2. I'm going to do that for all of them, and I'm going to put my templates in, but I'm going to pause the video so you don't see me do all that, because it's a waste of time. Okay, so you can see I have the templates for each of these problems, and I have the x1 and y1 labeled for all of them. So I'm going to fly through these. I'm not having the most space here, and so I'm actually going to delete the step of fixing the signs. I'll do it within that line so that I have enough room. So negative 7 is my x2, x1 is negative 2. We'll fix that in a moment. y2 is negative 7, y1 is 3. So to fix that, I am actually going to change those two negatives to a plus and move on. So d squared is equal to negative 7 plus 2, negative 5. Plus negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10. So d squared is equal to 25 plus 100. D squared is 125. Square root both sides. I'm going to have to put my answer off to the right because of space here. If it helps you to do the work here in a notebook instead of on the page, that's great to do that. I get 11.18. Okay, moving on. x2 minus x1 is negative 2 minus negative 6. I'll have to fix that. y2 is negative 4 minus negative 10. I have to fix that also. So, turn those into a plus. And we've got d squared is equal to negative 2 plus 6 is 4. Negative 4 plus 10 is 6. D squared is equal to 16 plus 36. d squared is equal to 52. Square root of both sides. $7.21. Okay. Oops. Moving on with this. x2 is -3. x1 is 2. y2 is -8. y1 is 4. -3 minus 2 is -5. -8 minus 4 is -12. So 25 plus 144. We get 169. Square root both sides. And we get straight up 13 even. That's pretty cool. I should probably box in my answers here for you guys because it's kind of out there. Alrighty, x2 is 3, x1 is -2, y2 is 4, y1 is -5. I'll fix those signs right now. We've got d squared is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. So 25 plus 81 is 106. Square root both sides. Square root of 106 is 10.3. And my iPad disappeared. I'll pause the video and bring it back. Got a few more to go. x2 is 0, x1 is 6, y2 is -3, y1 is 1. So 0 minus 6 is -6. -3 minus 1 is -4. So 36 plus 16. 52. Square root both sides. $7.21. Okay, over here. x2 is -2. x1 is 4. y2 is 0. y1 is -8. Gotta fix the double negative. So d squared is -2 minus 4 is -6. Plus 8 squared. D squared is 36 plus 64. D squared is 100. We should know the square root of 100 is 10. Alright, down here, x2 minus x1 is 5 minus -1. y2 is -3, y1 is 1. Fix the signs. Five plus 1 is 6. -3 minus 1 is -4. D squared is equal to 36 plus 16. D squared is equal to 52. Square root both sides. Really? That's the same as the last one we had up there, 52. That's crazy. 7.21. Okay, over here, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. Those both become a plus. D to the power of 2 is equal to negative 5 squared plus 3 squared. D squared is equal to 25 plus 9. D squared is equal to 34. Square root both sides. Square root of 34 is 5.83. Okay, I hope that's helpful, and I hope you have an awesome day.